After a breast implant removal without replacement combined with a breast lift, I need you to take it easy for about 1 week. Then you can resume light exercise in a supportive bra. You can shower after 24 hours. You can go swimming and go underwater and take baths after 3 weeks, assuming everything is healed. I may need to put drains in. It really depends on patient to patient, it varies. Usually if I'm performing a breast implant removal with capsulectomy and a breast lift, I don't need to put drains in because we tightened up the soft tissue, so there's not a whole lot of space to collect fluid. But there are times when I need to put in a drain temporarily to help you heal faster. If you do have a drain in, refer to my drain care video. Otherwise, you can shower after 24 hours, you can exercise after 1 week in a supportive bra, and you can go underwater, baths, swimming pools, that kind of thing after 3 weeks, assuming you're all healed up. I do want you to wear some type of compression and support on your breasts for 2 months after surgery to help everything heal up. I also want you to put tape on the healing incisions after the steri strips fall off. So once the steri strips that I put on you at the time of the operation peel away and fall off, we will give you some paper tape, and basically you'll just put the paper tape over the healing incisions. It doesn't have to be pretty, just put it on there, and that will help the final scars be thinner. The paper tape kind of serves as an external splint to help minimize motion along the incision line, which leads to a better scar in the end. I'll have you do that up until the 6-week mark following surgery, and then when I see you in clinic, I will do a laser treatment of your healing scars to help them fade and mature faster. If I performed fat grafting at the same time as your breast implant removal and lift, do not ice anything. Don't ice your chest because the ice can kill the fat. Even if you didn't have fat injected, please do not ice anything because the ice can decrease blood flow to your skin and lead to tissue loss. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.